What's up, guys? This is Sharmin here. In this video, I'm going to teach you history. So let's get started. The New England Middle and Southern Colonial Region. So here's some word meaning we need to know, that is representative government, a form of government where the citizens elect the leaders to make decisions on their behalf. Democratic, that is the relating to a form of government in which people have the power to rule themselves, often through elected representatives. Assembly, a body of lawmakers. Economy, the way people use their resource to meet needs and want. Grant, that means to give something to someone of lower rank as a favor or privilege. Indentured servant, that is a person who works for a period of time to pay off money owed for a debt. Plantation, that is a large farm on which crops are grown by free or enslaved workers. Protest, an action that shows disapproval or an objection to something. So, Pennsylvania, that is the middle colony. Pennsylvania's geography provided many resources. The Delaware River Valley had rich soil for farming. There were forests for timber, and other raw materials included coal and minerals such as iron and copper. Rivers offered easy transportation. Winters were cold and snowy, but the climate did not discourage colonists. In 1681, England's King Charles II granted land in North America to Penn, which he used to find Pennsylvania. Massachusetts Bay, that is New England colony. So here's the industries, that is the colonists grew crops and raised animals on small farms. And the first settlers to come to Massachusetts were the Pilgrims who arrived in Plymouth in 1620. And Massachusetts had a more democratic government than most countries in Europe. John Winthrop was elected to govern 12 times between 1630 to 1649. So the king approved Penn's appointment of the colony governor. An assembly met to pass or reject laws made by a council. All men who owned property could vote for members of the General Assembly. In 1696, the colony became more democratic when the elected members of the assembly gained the power to write laws. So the New England, Middle and Southern colonial regions, here the people came to each of the colonial regions for different reasons. Each region had its own geography. Each region offered settlers a special choices and ways of life. Plantations needed many workers at first. Landowners used Native Americans and indentured servants to plant and harvest plantation crops. Indentured servants worked in other places in the colonies. Soon, southern landowners began to replace these workers with Africans they enslaved. So, New York, that is the middle colony, in 1664, the British took what would become New York from the Dutch. These allowed British settlers in the New England colonies to move westward. Rhode Island, that is the New England colony, Puritan leaders did not like the ideas that Anne Hutchinson preached, and they put her on trial, became forcing her to leave Massachusetts Bay. Rhode Island colonists welcomed her because they offer religious freedom. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching, keep practicing, and good luck your history test. Thank you so much, guys.